If I tell you what I'm thinking, why can't we have artificial turf, something real nice here? A place that has a park bench all set up. I don't know. I guess natural look is the best, right? I'm going to set this bad boy up today. I got to get my phone out, do some calibration and all that good stuff. I think I need to go get some progressives and see if I could get used to wearing them and I could look down and up. Hardest thing for me to see right now is this screen. I can see the screen. The sun's going to be in my eyes. Let's go get a flight and make sure I'm all on everything I need to be at. All right, it connected automatically, which I like. HS GPS VS. I don't need to hold the controller, so I'm going to put the controller down for now and prepare. Put the aircraft on horizontal, lights always on, click calibrate. Calibration successful. Compass calibration. I want to do a compass calibration today. So telling me to pick the drone up and just rotate like so. You got to do this about 3 times. Please vertical rotate. Ah, man, I didn't pay attention. Please vertical rotate. I wish that was a little bit bigger. I'm connected. I'm good to go. Why does it always ask me to use Wi-Fi data? Well, it's a little bit windy. Wind's going this way, and I'm going that way. So I'm all set up to go fly. You want to see me fly some? I should have been on the other side, but I didn't go that far. I came over here instead. I don't know why. I want to go 1,000 feet out, and I want to come back, see how far this can go. But before I go into settings. I take it off of beginners, which is distance 65. I could go 3,281 feet. And I could lower it down. So let me see if I can do that. Go place this bad boy out of my way. Let's get some video going. And get my other glasses. Get out of my way. Let's take off. Let's just go. I can't see with the screen whatsoever. And it is a little windy. Just get above the tree lines. And there I go. I'm going to get out of the camera's way. And I'm going to stop it right there. And I'm going to be back here. I got to return to home, I think. I got a low battery. I'm not sure where my drone's at. I can't see it. I'm coming down. I hear it. There it is. I just couldn't see it. All right, let's bring it in. And have a little talk. My battery was low. I thought I started out with the fresh battery. I'm going to have to recharge this battery later. This drone goes extremely high, and it came back, returned to home with a low battery. It didn't say return to home. And I was in the sun. You don't want to be in the sun. You want to have the sun behind you, not looking in the sun. I could go for another one, but I think one flight's good enough for me. I like how everything fits into the case and all. It fits nicely. Everything's just dropping here. So here we go. Just keep this in here, make sure it doesn't make the contact, and we'll come back and charge that. I got a second battery. I just don't want to put it in there and go for a flight. I think one is good enough for me. Don't have to be a long flight. So yeah. Just disconnect. I should basically save the video. I'm still on it. I think I should have taken the hint of charging things up when my scooter said I was on 4, I'm on 3. Yeah. Next couple of days is not going to be fun. It's going to be nasty. But I'll go find another spot. Maybe I'll go to the other end of the park this time when the sun is not directly in front of me. I purposely chose to come here, and that was an awesome shot on video of all the geese coming in, and I'm not sure if the drone picked it up or not. On that note, I got a lot to edit here. I'm going to get on out, go have another nice day. I got to cut through all the snow, make sure I don't slip and slide. That's why maybe one day I'll find a place. We'll have artificial turf, nice setup, nice scenery. Then this, man. This just wins it all, man. I'll switch spots with you any time of the day. And on that note, I'll catch you later. Later.